Ways to make a homemade hummingbird feeder. Pet stores sell artificial hummingbird feeders, but you can make your own feeder at home. This saves you money and lets you recycle used bottles. The inverted bottle feeder has a bottle and a reservoir or a small hole at the bottom to serve as the feeding port. Bottle. Various used containers can serve as the bottle, including pill vials, test tubes, small jars and water bottles. North Carolina State University recommends painting the container red to attract hummingbirds. Hanger. Wrap a wire around the bottle and use it to create a loop for hanging the bottle. Don't create a hole to hang the bottle because the bottle needs a vacuum space at the top to keep the liquid from draining out, according to North Carolina State University. Feeding port. Punch a hole at the bottom of the feeder to let the liquid out. You can also fit a specialized hummingbird feeding tube on the mouth of the bottle or create a small reservoir to contain the liquid.